Exercise 5.2 and problem number 6. Here we have to find out the area of the minor segment and major segment with a given radius of the circle and angle made by the chord of the circle at the center. Now the problem number 6 states that a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter, substance and subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the minor and major segments. Solution for this: in a given circle with a center O, radius 15 centimeter and angle 60 degree at the center. Now the circle which I have given here, and now we have to find out APB minor segment and AQB with major segment here. And now area of the segment APB equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. And now area of the sector OAPB equal to, by the formula, theta divided by 360 into 5r square, that equal to here theta is 60 degree by 360 into 5. 5 is what is that? 3.14 I would like to take here, because I would like to put 22 by 7 in the decimal form. R square is radius, that is a 15 square, and that equal to 1 by 6 into 3.14 into 15 into 15, and that is equal to 1 by 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 15, because 3 5 ja 15, and that equal to 117.75 square centimeter. Let me call this is a 1. And now to find the area of the triangle OAB, draw OM perpendicular to AB. Like this, I would like to take out this OAB outside the circle. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. The side OA and OB are 15 centimeter, because both are radius, and the angle AOB is 60 degree. And in a triangle OAM and OBM, OA equal to OB equal to 15 centimeter, both are equal. Angle OMA equal to OMB equal to 90 degree, because OM is perpendicular to AB, and OM is common to both the triangle, and therefore triangle OAM is congruent with the triangle OBM, and hence angle AOM equal to angle BOM. AOM equal to BOM, and AM equal to MB, and therefore 60 degree equal to angle AOB AOB equal to AOM plus MOB or BOM equal to 2 times angle AOM, because angle AOM equal to angle BOA. Angle AOM equal to angle BOM. And thus angle AOM equal to 60 by 2, that is a 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this is 30 degree. And therefore also AB equal to AM plus MB and AM equal to MB. Therefore I would like to replace it by AM only, that is 2 times AM, and AB equal to 2 AM. In a right angle triangle OAM, angle M equal to 90 degree, and therefore sine of 30 degree equal to opposite side. Opposite side is AM divided by hypotenuse OA, that is AM by 15. But sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, and therefore 1 by 2 equal to AM by 15. That implies AM equal to 15 by 2. This I would like to call it as what is that? 2 here. And also AB equal to AM plus MB, and that equal to AM plus AM, because AM equal to MB, and that equal to 2 AM, and therefore AB equal to twice AM. AM value of AM is 15 by 2 by 2, and therefore AB equal to 15. AB equal to 15. Let me call this is a third equation, and therefore by the Pythagoras theorem, for the triangle OAM, we have OA square, hypotenuse square, equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Therefore 15 square, OA is 15 square, AM is by 2, 15 by 2 whole square, plus OM square, and this implies OM square equal to 15 square minus 15 square by 4, that is 3 into 15 square by 4, and therefore OM equal to square root of 3 into 15 by 2. Let me call this is the equation number 4, and therefore area of OAB equal to half base into height. That is half, AB is a base, OM is height, that equal to that equal to half into AB is 15 into OM equal to root 3 into 15 by 2 from 2 and 4, from 3 and 4, and that equal to, what is that, root 3 into 225 by 4, that is 97.3125. Let me call this is a fifth equation. Therefore, area of a segment APB equal to area of a sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB, and that equal to 117.75 minus 97.3125, that equal to what is that, 20.4375. Let me call this is an equation number 6, and therefore now the area of the major segment AQB equal to area of the circle minus area of the segment, that is the area of the circle minus area of a minor segment, that is 5 r square minus 20.4375, and that equal to 5 r square. 5 is 3.14 into r square is 15 square minus 20.4375, that equal to 3.14 into 15 minus 20.4375 equal to 706.5 minus 20.4375, that equal to 686.0625 cm square.